Pulling up the Good Sugar right now. This place is fire. Best place to get your smoothies, get your juice shots, all that kind of stuff. You know how we do. We're gonna put the car in hazard real quick. Quick little double park. Throw the parking pass up there. And yeah, we about to get on our way. Hold on. Good old Good Sugar. Good morning. Oh, look at all this stuff they got. They be going crazy in here. Bone broth. You know that one.
Keto energy bars. Huh? 50 cents credit?
Sure. I'll use my credit. Sweet. Got my juice shots. Now we're gonna go over here and get that smoothie. She might sit over there, back there making a smoothie. Got more of their kitchen staff back here. They make good food. Good morning. Uh-oh, looking like mine. The best part. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks, you too. Mission accomplished. Got that Good Sugar. Now we're out of here. Haircut time. I know you guys didn't think I was gonna leave without seeing the fresh cut. Had to get a fresh one. I was looking crazy after the new year. All right, now we're out. Good Sugar was great.